amidst this heated election campaigning and even voting today, Supreme Court dismissed petitions that called for 100% cross-verification of votes cast using EVMs with VVPAT. A bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta delivered two separate but concurrent judgments on the matter. Court rejected all petitions, including those requesting a return to ballot papers. Supreme Court did give some directions to EC to enhance the system and faith in it, particularly for contesting candidates. Let's decode some of the big directions that have been given by the Supreme Court to erase even any remaining doubts over EVMs. Now, the Supreme Court has said that burnt memory in microcontroller EVMs can be checked by a team of engineers. As many as 5% of EVMs per assembly per parliamentary seat can be checked. This, if losing candidates make such a request within 7 days of the results being declared. The requesting candidate will have to bear the cost of this process, but expenses will be refunded in case the EVM is found to be tampered with. The Supreme Court also said that after loading of symbols, the symbol loading units must be sealed. Candidates or their representatives must be present to sign the seal, and then it has directed the EC that these symbol loading units must be kept in strong rooms for as long as 45 days now post result announcement. So with this Supreme Court verdict, will the opposition finally relent on the electoral process being fair or not? That's coming up.
इंडी गठबंधन के हर नेता ने ईवीएम को लेकर जनता के मन में संदेह पैदा करने का पाप किया है। लेकिन आज देश के लोकतंत्र की ताकत देखिए। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी 1-2 घंटे पहले ही मतपेटियों को लूटने का इरादा रखने वालों को ऐसा गहरा झटका दिया है कि उनके सारे सपने चूर चूर हो गए हैं।
काश नहीं किया होता। वीवीपैट ही एक तरीका है जिससे कि वोटर जो है वो मुतमईन हो सके कि जो बटन उन्होंने दबाया है वही वोट जो है मशीन में गया है। लेकिन इस बार नहीं। चलिए अगली बार कोशिश तो हमारी जारी रहेगी कि तमाम वीवीपैट्स जो हैं उनको जो है रिकंसाइल करके ही इलेक्शन का नतीजा जो है वो डिक्लेयर किया जाना चाहिए।
ईवीएम सही हो जाती है और जब भाजपा जीतती है तो ईवीएम खराब कैसे हो जाती है? ये यक्ष प्रश्न है, आपको भी उनसे ये पूछना चाहिए।
Supreme Court is supreme. I cannot comment anything on their decision. We should accept the Supreme Court decision in letter and spirit.
Rajiv Pandey, spokesperson of the BJP, continues with us. Sulaiman Mohammad Khan, spokesperson of the Congress, is with us. Abhay Chaded is a petitioner in the EVM VVPAT case. Abhay, let me begin with you. Your sense on the overall verdict today. The Supreme Court is absolutely unwilling to go back to ballot papers. I think that's not surprising. They're not really willing to push the EC for 100% verification, but they have given some guidelines to EC further. They've also asked them to see if that transparent glass for the VVPAT machine can come back, etc., for the entirety, not just for a few seconds. So how do you read into the overall judgment given?
For the long time, so many people are fighting this battle for the EVM transparency. Even I had been to the Mumbai High Court actually in my election petition challenging my election, wherein I have stated that there has been a tampering. Now in this judgment, what is more significant in para 76 of the judgment, it has been mentioned if at all somebody loses and he makes application to the returning officer within 7 days, he can actually verify 5% of the total EVMs in that particular parliamentary constituency.
Right.
So, in every parliamentary constituency, almost 100 EVMs, actually microcontroller or burnt memory, can be verified in presence of these officers of the company. I think this is a good step because so many things were mentioned in 2013 judgment and updation of EVM was important. So many people were lacking the trust
Okay.
and lacking the trust in EVM.
But do you
And
feel candidates now will have more faith that if they fear something is wrong, they have more checks and balances in place, right?
for the first time, I think actually without election petition, you will have access to the EVM. That is one good thing that has happened.
Okay.
And this is I think this is like an American system where you pay the money and ask for the recount. So you pay the money, and actually Supreme Court has mentioned that whoever applies for that actually will have to bear the cost.
Okay.
So I think this is a good beginning, wherein if at all there is some kind of a tampering,
then it
it
can
can
come
be
to the fore.
good.
Or at least
It
there's
can
some
be-
avenue for a candidate to go for it instead of going to courts, which takes its own sweet time.
Absolutely, absolutely,
I want to go
absolutely.
across
And you
to Suleiman Mohammad Khan as well. The larger question that is being asked of the opposition per se is, you know, how many times is the opposition going to raise this EVM bogey only when it is unsure about election results or the results don't go in its favor? Because it does win elections too. It has recently won Telangana, last year Karnataka. Obviously, there is 60% of the vote that still goes to the opposition. So it's not just about the number of seats. It's about every individual vote being counted in India. Then why caste aspersions? And will the opposition stop now?
Now, as you said that we have won elections even with the EVMs, and still we are demanding that there should be the 100% verification of the EVM with the VVPAT. It is all the more important that a winning party in Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka recently is requesting that there should be 100% verification or an election by ballot. This becomes more important if you think what I am trying to say. So there are 2-3 points which I want to make. First of all, Congress
ballot
party
paper, one second, Mr. Khan, ballot paper is an era that nobody wants to go back to. Aren't you taking India back? Regardless of your concerns that you may have on 100% VVPAT verification, fine, I'll park that. But why ballot papers? We all know what happened then.
So, I think anyone having a basic knowledge of at least 100 years of history of the country will never say that Congress has a regressive thinking or it's not pro-progressive thinking. It's always, Congress party leaders and the mindset is actually very progressive, visionary, futuristic and technology savvy. Nobody can say that Congress can ever be regressive.
Are you in
It's
favor
not
of
about-
ballot papers?
Madam, if there is a decency. If I am saying something, you cut me once. Second, I am trying to make a point. Please allow me.
Are you in
Otherwise,
favor of ballot papers?
You will not lead me to an answer. I am replying to your question. Now let me complete my sentence. Don't interject. What I was trying to say that Congress has always been a technology savvy party and we are always been progressive. What I am trying to say, it's not important that the elections is done. The edifice of the constitutional democracy rests on free and fair election. It doesn't matter. It happens through EVM or a VVPAT is verified with the EVM or it happens with a ballot paper. What is the need of an election if it's manipulated and rigged by
Yeah.
a technological advancement?
So
That is important.
clearly
And
the
let me tell
Supreme
you-
Court has not bought this argument that
Yes,
elections
yes,
are rigged
yes,
or
yes,
not
yes,
free
yes.
and fair. The very fact, Rajiv Pandey,
Yes.
that the opposition
Yes.
is coming
What-
out and
what-
saying that the large electoral exercise in India is manipulated is
What-
precisely
what I am
the question that it
what I am
faces today.
saying-
One second,
what
Mr.
I am
Khan,
saying-
Rajiv Pandey.
Supreme Court has been
Rajiv, I think you've muted yourself.
Today, I'm very happy that Honorable Supreme Court of India has put all these issues after passing the order in rest. The issue is the opposition party who could not defeat BJP politically were trying to malign the election process of this country and trying to say that this is manipulated. But today, the order passed by Honorable Supreme Court of India has put faith in our system by which elections are taking place. Right now, Congress or Mr. Khan is saying that, people do not have faith. Who are these people? Most of the people have faith. Only the few people who are trying to disrupt the growth story of India are
Okay.
trying to create this.
I have 30
Understand?
seconds left. I'll just tell I'll just give that to Mr. Khan because Mr. Khan is speaking in the background.
Even if a small section of people are having doubt or
Yes.
apprehensions about the fairness of the
India, a
election,
small
that is
section of people are
important.
having doubt.
That
Yes.
is very important.
No, you
And
are
thousands
absolutely
of
right about that. Mr. Khan, you're right about that. Even one person is important, but
Shivani,
Yes.
you've been through the
One person is
process.
important. Shivani,
Just
if
lower
you
their
doubt the
faces.
process,
You've
it
been
will be
through the
taken seriously.
process. Now, repeatedly, courts have rejected the argument that EVMs can be
Our
tampered.
approach
So
to
somewhere
EVM,
this has to
the way
end.
it has been happening will
Shivani, you
continue.
did not allow me to
We'll
complete
say
my point.
100% verification of ballot paper. We are
Okay,
saying 100%
you will continue to
verification
press
with
for
the
that.
VVPAT.
Okay, most opposition parties saying they'll continue to press for that. Yes, Rajiv.
Yes.
Yes, 20
Only
seconds,
I'm
Rajiv.
saying today this issue is over. 5% anybody can apply. They can
Rajiv
keep
ji,
on
can I ask you
trying
one
for
small
that.
question
They
if
can
you can
keep on
reply?
trying
One
for that.
small question.
Today is the order of the
Rajiv ji,
Supreme
one
Court.
small question I want to ask you. One small question. What is the interest of BJP to stick to EVMs as well as the Election Commission of India?
I am
When a
unable
lot
to
of people are.
understand, sir.
What is
Okay,
your
let him
interest?
respond. I have
What is
limited
the
time.
commission?
I have limited time. Let him respond. 10 seconds to Rajiv.
I am unable to understand. Election is being conducted by EC, and ECI has
But you are
defended their
defending the
petition.
EC, and
Not
Election Commission is also
at all.
having an
Not at
interest. They
all.
don't want.
Now you are
It's not a
interjecting. You
neutral
ask me a
body
question.
then.
I am responding. This is very sad. You ask me a question. I
10
am saying
seconds, Rajiv.
whatever ECI is doing for free and fair election in this country, we support
Is the
ECI.
election free and
We do
fair?
not support
Prime
anybody.
Minister
And what you are
spoke a
talking, you are
communal
trying to
speech,
derail
a
the
hate
process.
speech.
Mr.
Nothing has,
Khan,
EC has done
do you want to
nothing.
travel by?
I think the important question here also is if we don't
is
trust
not a
EVMs,
independent,
we don't
it's
want to go
surrendered
back to
to-
ballot papers, then what else? An alternative has to be presented if we are not happy with EVMs and we don't want to go back to ballot paper because Mr. Khan, you didn't answer my direct question. Are you for ballot
yes,
paper or not?
I am saying please cross-verify 100%.
Okay, so that still has to happen
by
through
putting them in the
EVMs.
box.
Fair
This
enough,
is
but
one.
that
If
still
this
has to
cannot be
happen
done,
through
then go back to
EVMs.
ballot.
Let's not throw the baby out with the bathwater. Maybe we can continue to improve the process, is what you're suggesting. I leave it at that. I do thank our guests for joining us.